Welcome to our roundup of the best electric pipe threaders. Whether you are a professional plumber, contractor, or a serious DIY enthusiast, having a powerful and reliable pipe threader can make a huge difference in speed and precision on the job. We have selected top-rated electric pipe threaders, both cordless and corded, that combine performance, durability, and ease of use. We will break down each model's key specs like threading capacity, motor power, portability, and advanced features to help you find the right tool for your needs. Do not forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let us dive in and find the ideal electric pipe threader for you. The first on the list is the Rigid 26092 Model 1224 NPT 120-volt threading machine. Known as an industry standard, this model is built for heavy-duty applications and large-scale projects. With a threading capacity from 1/4 inch up to 4 inches, it is capable of handling a wide range of pipe sizes, making it versatile for plumbing, construction, and industrial work. The powerful 120-volt induction motor ensures consistent threading performance, while the automatic oiling system keeps dies lubricated for smoother threads and extended tool life. Another standout feature is its self-opening die head design, which increases efficiency by eliminating manual adjustments between cuts. Weighing in at over 400 pounds, this machine is not the most portable option, but it is built for shop and job site durability. The rugged steel frame and stability make it a long-term investment for professionals who need high output. Overall, the Rigid 1224 is a professional-grade threading machine that offers unmatched reliability and capacity for those tackling large, demanding projects. Next up is the Vever electric pipe threader. Designed with affordability and usability in mind, this model is an excellent choice for contractors and DIYers who want strong performance without breaking the bank. It features a powerful motor with 2,300 watts of output, providing enough torque to handle threading tasks with ease. The wide threading range from 1/2 inch up to 4 inches makes it versatile for different jobs, from home plumbing to larger piping systems. What makes this unit appealing is its compact, portable design, which includes a sturdy carrying case for easy transport. It also comes with multiple die heads included, reducing the need for extra purchases. While not as heavy-duty as premium models, the Vever is well-suited for those who want a reliable machine for occasional or medium-scale threading projects. Overall, this is a cost-effective option that balances performance, portability, and value. Next, we have the Zaystar Dare 2300W110V electric pipe threader. This model is engineered for users who need robust cutting and threading power in a portable package. The 2300-watt motor provides strong torque, allowing it to thread pipes efficiently and consistently without bogging down under load. With a threading range of 1/2 inch to 4 inches, it covers the most common pipe sizes for plumbing and mechanical applications. A major advantage is its integrated safety system, which includes overload protection to prevent damage to the motor and enhance operator safety during demanding use. The ergonomic handle design and included stand make operation more comfortable, reducing fatigue during long projects. Overall, the Zaystar Dare pipe threader is a dependable workhorse, perfect for contractors who want a high-power electric model that can handle tough jobs consistently. Coming up next, we have the Milwaukee 2874-22HD M18 fuel pipe threader with 1-key kit. This cordless powerhouse stands out for its portability and smart technology. Powered by the M18 red lithium high-output battery, it delivers corded performance while maintaining the freedom of cordless operation. The capacity to thread up to 2-inch black iron pipe makes it ideal for most plumbing and mechanical installations. Another impressive feature is the 1-key smart connectivity, which lets users customize speed settings, track tool usage, and even disable the tool remotely for added security. Its auto-stop technology senses kickback and automatically shuts down the tool, improving operator safety. The kit comes with die heads, a carrying case, and 2 batteries for continuous workflow. Overall, the Milwaukee 2874-22HD is an excellent solution for professionals who want portability and connected technology without sacrificing threading performance. The last one on our list is the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max Pipe Threader Kit, DCE 700X2K. This cordless model combines DeWalt's rugged design with high-voltage battery technology for serious threading power. Equipped with the FlexVolt 60V Max battery system, it offers the performance of corded tools while maintaining cordless convenience. It can thread pipes up to 2 inches, making it suitable for residential, commercial, and industrial projects alike. A key feature is the E-clutch system, which senses bind-ups and reduces the risk of sudden torque reactions, ensuring safer operation. The tool also comes with die heads included, saving extra costs. The compact design and adjustable side handle provide better control and comfort during extended use. Overall, the DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max pipe threader is a powerful, safe, and convenient tool for modern job site demands. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best electric pipe threaders available. From heavy-duty shop machines to portable cordless options, there is a model here to match every type of project. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, stay connected.